Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from this Vera TV program in the building, guys. I thank you all. I appreciate you for supporting me, for being there for me, and for subscribing. I pass off with tie this morning. I'm Africa woman. Africa woman. Ew, Africa woman. So guys, I know say me now they do fake. I go show am a boy day. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from this Vera TV program in the building. So thank you all for supporting me, for being there, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please don't fail to subscribe. Today is your first time. Please don't fail to subscribe to this. This very video is going to pursue the Enter House TV. Thank you very much. I appreciate you for being there, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Pursue the Enter House TV. Now this video they go, guys. And please don't fail to subscribe to this channel. Don't fail to subscribe to this channel. Now, Qatar, the disturbances there, so we don't they go small. Although the cold is too much here in Germany. The snow not green mate, my people. We don't tire. Snow not green mate. Play. Snow your day, snow your day ground. You just did the pack. You'll be like salt. When sun dey beat, go dey dry moment, no gree melt, because the rain did not fall, the rain refused to fall, so that's the reason why e no gree melt. But they are trying to pack it. How many they want to pack? It's not too fall, my people. So my beautiful people, I thank you and appreciate you a lot. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you, my beautiful people. Now for supporting me, for being there, and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. God bless you so much. So my beautiful people, I want to drop this message to now. This woman, this useless and shameless woman, call herself Lolekia. Yes, no, she's down. You're still looking like no, you're still the looker. So my beautiful people, so this lady, her own matter not the as in, the reason her whole life, her own matter not the whole of my beautiful people. When I see some people, there are some people you go they read they follow, you go they fall for problem to problem. There are some people when you go read they follow, that person go they enter problem every day, every time, every day, every time. So when I see what they happen now, they say some Sarah Nenemi don't go they insult Oba since when it start to they follow Lolekia. You know one thing about this life, there are some people you follow, they are bad head. Yes. Whenever they follow them, you go they get good love. But when you start to follow them, you go they get problem all the time. Some people don't they notice. So my beautiful people, why I break that one be say, Mona see Lolekia, as she hold as she is there, she still claiming housewife on top foolishness. Still claiming housewife, my husband will work now. My husband, hey. Like seriously, Lolekia, I know it's just a never born allow. Like seriously. At your age, sitting at home waiting for your old man. That's the reason why Lolekia go marry old man. Yeah, because if you marry a young person, that one for don't pursue a lot. This one we don't see pursue more. Now because this man, I they see money, no they come out. Because of 21,000 when they give him, when Lolekia don't use teeth, take shop all of the remaining one. Now this one take final, make it come, make it for good. So my beautiful people, when I see her life. Every day, Monica, every day, you not can't get your own topic again. Sometimes bring different type of topic. You can just bring it and let's discuss about marriage, or let's talk about what is going on in Africa. Where? And let's discuss how some people really behave, or yes, and how you behave to people. How you like to bring people down. May you still they talk about yourself. Lolekia never bana like ravish. You don't forget mama, don't papa. Your mama na road work now for that. Your mama trailer, keke na pen, na knock your mama. You fall off a side gutter. So for crying out loud, Lolekia no get topic again. Lolekia no get talk again. And I saw this one, I can't do this one. And I saw this one, I did this one. And you know, coffee do video without you not drop person matter put. Without you not talk, because why you are still crying up to date is because the evil you plan did not come to manifest. Where you are still crying today, if maybe the evil you plan really manifests in how you talk and really happen, but now you know come outside they mad. You know go come outside come they crazy. They come outside they anytime when our mommy do so topic. Now we supposed to they copy our mommy Monica. Now we suppose anything when he talk, they carry and they wear. Now we suppose anything you do, we go they carry wood. It concerns you. Person who is saying now your enemy. As it be your enemy, you see say if you come on now, can't do something, new something now, can't there, can't carry. Or if you come out now, me go come carry your real topic when you talk, or to advise people, or me go come carry the analyzer. I feel mad. Can analyze what? Analyze what? I will not come outside and analyze any shize. Because definitely I know that we are not in good mood. So nothing to analyze there and nothing to talk about there. I will not come so low and be talking about your what you don't do video or what and what. No. I will not do that. At the comment, people make I dress. I will not come to do that. Coming to carry your topic, what you just say, I'll call the analyze. Analyze waiting. I don't feel analyze. I don't go fit analyze them. You understand? I not go fit analyze them. So anytime when mommy do topic, you go wrong, go there, you go carry. If you shit, you go carry. If you piss, you go carry. If you do this, you go carry because you don't have your own topic. Because all the evil plan you plan to really happen, no one can agree happen again. So it's still paining you to your bone marrow till today that why when you know that you are not good, when you know that you are not Alpha and Omega, not be God, not be, you don't feel create ants. Talk less of creating full human being, that man or woman. You know you cannot even create anyone. Okay, now my beautiful people, there are some things you look, you say you dey mature, you go school and so another person not go. Okay, you won't go school now, just look at what you are doing right now. You that claim that you go to school, just look at how you misbehave, how you talk nonsense, how you start to decrease. You understand? Just look at it. Just look at it. You are not okay. You don't do well. It's like you are crazy. You are mad. You understand? So now be the thing. That is your problem right now. Okay? You not get head. As old as your own man. Now they say, yeah, this thing. Now be your this thing for you. When your mates, all your women like you are proud of what they use their hand to do. When they are proud of their career, they are proud of what they have achieved in life. They are proud of what they don't use their hand to work. You are still there sitting there and saying, they work. Now they give you go shopper. Oh, you may not eat. If you will eat your destiny, eat your life, eat your life, eat your children life, join up. Now you not go fit eat. You get what you not go fit. I maybe tell them if you use 21,000 to eat McDonald's. Another thing they will know if you can't use money to eat. KFC, McDonald's. Una ya ko gbele 21,000 K. Now the bozege when it remain you go carry. Now the bozege when it remain, I should call carry go what they call UK. Now Igbo man see when Igbo man call the thing say na better human being. Okay. So you see you now. They come my people. You understand? Now the bozere when the day now she can't do carry go UK. As useless as she is, as soon as see and so as she can't useless rich. Now the true word. You don't feel the true word give a laribe never bola we make God punish you a laribe. You don't feel they insult your alaribe when he make you come be like that. In fact, alaribe not even make you because you are a lazy ass. Lazy, useless ass wife. Lazy ass, a shower wife. A shower woman. When they say, you get strength for prick. You don't get strength to do anything. You don't get strength to work. You don't get strength to do anything. You are there fooling yourself. You are there disgracing yourself. You are there fooling yourself around. When you know quite all right that you are a disgrace even to the society. You are a disgrace to women. You are a disgrace to yourself. Because just look, come up presenter now. You don't have your own topic. You don't have your own straightforward talk. You don't have your own good word that you will say that will really motivate people. You said you advise people. You advise. You don't need to give, but you need to tell you the word that will make you go. Which word do they give 10 person when they make person move forward? You don't fit tell yourself the word make you move forward. These useless people that say you get destiny, you get star. Say person they use your star, person they use your destiny. You never still reach where that destiny go still manifest for your life. Yes or no? You never still reach where the destiny go still manifest for your life. Come, make I turn it around. Okay. You never still reach when the destiny go still content manifest for your life to see you as disgrace. Because I care your bow. Because they don't want to use hands, they do. No one use hands, they do. So look at the shame, the people you are packing up and down, they are falling into problem, temptation here and there every day. Look at the useless one when they support and they say she don't come on and go the cause palace. They insult her back when they day. You for what? When you dey mad, you enter street or enter train track, then train crush you. When you don't say your head not correct, and nobody will nobody they respect, nobody they look reach anything. Enter the train track, train will mash you, or if you are frustrated. Not for you to put her for over body or call the trauma they give about. See, since when they start to follow you now. How many people you don't see say with the form of Monica will come mislead you, he come mislead us. You don't see devil. He go there, they go say, do not see they happen. They don't that one do because they said the movie do or you already do not do them. Use body take compare them. Use body take compare yore. Use body take compare your when they say they call the Babalawo when they did the Edo State. I be where they. Use body take compare, but he go say me you not call Babalawo. You go say me you not call this. Where for they see salt and water and then they put something for mat. Make people cut the view. Waga de yeti ve dokpeti wakian deji. Eti as not they fall for problem to problem, so una problem una cool. Now so now they fall for problem to problem, from temptation to temptation, from trouble to trouble. Because now wait una find now una see. Now wait till na pull na hand now na see lole kia when dey now you are frustrated, nothing to run down about, nothing. You have not achieved anything since you don't dey Europe, from Nigeria to Italy, from Italy to Netherlands, from Netherlands to UK. You are relocating here and there, fully yourself. You think you are smart, you are educated. Look at your life now. You are a disgrace to women, pure disgrace to women. You are sick. More than many years you have been in Europe. Your children don't grow work, you don't feel work. No be say you get baby. No be say you get all more when they be say, oh, I did nurse baby. Kega mama, kega kega mama, kega mama, kega baby come and suckle, baby come and suckle. This small in bed when they carry they go, baby come. Why not they give her breast make it come suck? When I tell her give her orange, make it come suck ne kuemulo lekia. I know it's just an one defia one gbo. Never when mokina ni kana talk boy. Anytime you come online, if you don't have topic, hide your face is shame. It's not by force to do video every day. Sometimes I will say, today I will do video. I will even promise my fans, oh, today I will do video. But sometimes when I look at it, I say, let me just rest. Because it's not a force of a thing. You don't have YouTube, do force anybody. You don't have Facebook, not force person say you must kill yourself by yourself before you go feel. No. Not at all. Not at all. So my beautiful people, my beautiful fans. So I wanna let them know all those haters when life not better. Lolekia number one, Lolekia the shameless she goat. She goat. You know cause they see prick the fall for Netherlands again. They don't see prick again. Netherlands now don't close. UK now they fall for no UK. Whether your toto not go there outside. This one be fake account they'll take poster more. Now real account they'll take poster when you see your toto for us a shameless ego. You know this thing, you go carry one, person go both you go carry one. For you to sit down at your age, after many years in abroad, you have spent more than 20-something years. People when you even know call yesterday, 5 years, 6 days, call even they do well, pass you for home and abroad. They swear for our family. As majority this as a sister tell the mention people prick join clothes. You get one more bug. Lolekia, there is swear for us. Look at all people you said you are advising. They are nowhere to be found. Look at people you are advising. Monica will remain the number one and leader. The female president. The lady that know what it takes to be a leader. A woman of dignity, a woman of respect, a woman of girl wisdom. She's full of wisdom. She's full of brain. Get brain, not be one way get muko like Lolekia ono. The full of brain, full of wisdom, he full of idea. You know how to handle things at the right time. A woman of respect. A woman that respects herself and respects others. A woman that knows what it takes to be a leader. A woman making 1 billion. You say yeki. Now today you start one give and name they tell the laugh and you would like to mock people. You like to always mock people, Lolekia. At the end, see your life. See your life. You like to mock people anytime, any day, but today see your life. When mama we life not gree better you. You do finish now. You dey fool yourself up and down. You want give an yeki. When I go meet una market woman. Una market woman, you don't know anything. May go this one, may go that. At the end, I will change her to yeki 1 billion. Now she accept the name. Now because they pay you for, but they say if they accept yeki. They really say nothing they go do for human being for this life where they go satisfy. If you do this, they say no good. If you do that, they say no good. Business where you never break. The time when Monica never talk of Amazon, talking how to trade with Amazon, you not come out with your madness. If you also come out to talk about it, you say they don't have to pay now, they don't have to bring her down. No, because if you see start to do, no, see straight, they do. People will go follow Monica, but I go see many pass your own. Because all those one are there looking you because we are a fool. After many years, you still refuse to give up on those issues. You are still coming out every day. Anytime she do topic, you bring it out and be insulting her. The old people say don't hate you. Many of them insulting you. Say, what kind of human being is this? If you don't go to Monica matter, you know they get view. You don't know, say you don't already go down totally. For you to sit down and plan your life, you say, listen, Monica matter won't kill you. Hey, Monica, I must to boo. Monica fans, Monica lovers all over the world. Now their head go kill you, Lolekia. Lolekia, they then again. Monica can talk boo. In the mighty name of Jesus. Monica can talk boo, Lolekia. Yes. He have remained a leader, he will become a leader. God have ordained her to be a leader. God have ordained us to be a shine your shine. Shine your shine, not because. Shine your shine. Forward ever, backward never. Yes, we will be saying they shine your shine. We they shine every day, but look at now darkness. Because darkness and light don't have anything in common. We are light, you people are darkness. You people move backward. And we move forward. So shall it be. So my beautiful people, try to give thumbs up. This message is for Lolekia. Yes, so my beautiful people, try to give thumbs up. And please, this video is going to pursue the Enter House TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, please don't fail to subscribe to pursue the Enter House TV. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. God bless you all. Thank you. I'm about to go right now. Bye.